Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. Next, I will put 11 over 4 go outside. So the integration of this one, we have tan of s, and I will put the bounds from negative with the square root of number 3 over 3 and number 0. And now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we have 11 over 24 and we have B. This is the end. Thank you for watching.